You ever hear the proverb, trouble no set like rain? You ever wonder what the origin of that is? Well, in today's episode of Way Back When, we are going to explore those origins. Remember the story them from long ago? Way back when. We make you laugh like when rain a fall and breeze a blow. Way back when. If you want to rekindle the joy there in your soul. Way back when. Tell everybody you know to come and join the show. Way back when. Way back when. Way back when animal them did talk like people. And Nancy the spider, they think him are the smartest thing in the world. Him always a trick people, and him never like to share. But one day, Nancy get catching him own web of trouble. No, in a one deep bush way down by the river, Nancy did find one big orange tree. But this orange tree is special. The orange them sweet like honey and soft like butter. Anybody who eat one would have lick them finger and beg for more. And Nancy decides him not tell nobody about that tree. Him pick orange every day and hide them in him web and yam them till him belly round like ball. But every time he reach back at the village, brother dog, brother rabbit and brother puss see the orange juice pan him mouth. And Nancy, how you get them orange there, brother dog ask? And Nancy wipe him mouth fast and say,
Orange? Me no know what you talk about. Me never see no orange yet.
Brother Rabbit narrow down him eye and whisper to Brother Puss.
Ma watch a Nancy. Me sure him up to something.
So the next morning, Brother Rabbit wake up early and hide in the bush. When him see Nancy sneak off, him follow him quiet. And Nancy never notice, cause him busy a sing one fool song.
Orange sweet me belly meat, but me not share, can me do it.
When Nancy reach in the tree, him climb up fast and start yam the orange them like him not eat for weeks. Juice a run down him face, seed all a drop on ground, and him belly swell up big. Brother Rabbit just smile and run back for call Brother Dog and Brother Puss. So, the next morning, the three of them set up a plan. Brother Dog dig up the tree root. Brother Rabbit climb the lower branch and Brother Puss scale up the top. When Anansi reach, him see the whole of them up in the orange tree.
Hold on there. Who tell you about me orange?
Anansi ball out. Brother Rabbit grin.
Me follow you, Anansi. You can't trick with this time.
Brother Puss start fling down orange. Brother Dog start catch them in their mouth. And Brother Rabbit start dance and sing.
Orange sweet me belly meat, but Anansi greedy so him get beat.
Anansi get so mad. Him try to climb up the tree fast. But guess what? Him belly too big from all the orange them him yam the day before. As him reach pon the first branch, him belly knock pon the bark and send him tumbling back down. Boof! Him drop hard pon him back. The animal them laugh till them cry. Brother Dog wipe him out and say, Nancy, you always a trick the people. But look you now, trouble no set like rain. You never see this one coming, eh? And Nancy couldn't do nothing but sit pon the ground, rub him belly, and watch everybody near him off the orange them. From that day, anytime trouble come unexpected, people always remember say, trouble no set like rain. And them always laugh, cause them know say, Nancy caused the saying there from way back when.